Hello students, welcome to Teaching Aura. Today our topic is EMRS Teaching Aptitude Model Paper. First question. Blackboard can be included in which group or category of teaching aids? Option A, audio aids. Option B, visual aids. Option C, audio visual aids. Option D, none of the above. Our answer is option B, visual aids. In which of the following instructional procedure is the main component? Option A, basic teaching model. Option B, inductive model. Option C, social stimulation. And option D, synaptics teaching model. Our answer is A, basic teaching model. Let's see the third one. Important factor of curriculum is to help to achieve the A, education, B, values, C, job, D, objectives. Answer is D, objectives. Fourth question. Teaching on TV is superior to classroom instruction because Option A, teaching materials can be filmed for reuse. Option B, experts for teaching a difficult topic can be arranged and others can be benefited from them. Option C, very large classes are made possible and thus it is economically advantageous. Option D, all of these. Option D, all of these. Fifth question. The current 10+2 school curriculum to be replaced by a new 5+3+3+4 curricular structure. Option B, 5+4+3+3 curricular structure. Option C, 5+2+2+4 curricular structure, and the last option D, 2+3+3+4 curricular structure. Option A, 5+3+3+4 curricular structure. Question number 6. The dash provides an opportunity through various adjustments or adaptations. A, charity model. B, human rights model. C, functional model. And D, social model. Answer is C, functional model. Question number 7. The social exclusion and negative attitudes results in social discrimination and thus leads to exclusion and dash barrier. A, attitudinal. B, social, emotional, infrastructural. Answer is B, social barrier. Question number 8. Which of the following plans may be least learner-centered? A, instructional plan. B, lesson plan. C, unit plan. D, activity plan. Answer is A, instructional plan. Question number 9. What is the full form of ABC as per the NEP 2020? Option A, Academic Basic Certificate. B, Annual Basic Certificate. C, Annual Bank of Credit. Option D, Academic Bank of Credit. And the answer is Academic Bank of Credit. Question number 10. Dash is a learning that is making and using low-cost equipment, encourage group work can be great fun. Each pupil can make his or her own equipment. A, active method learning. B, passive method learning. C, similar method of learning. D, all the above. And the answer is option A, active method learning. Question number 11. Active area includes swing, seesaw, jungle gyms, slides, rope ladders, etc. For development of dash in children. A, gross motor skill. B, fine motor skills. C, both A and B. D, none of the above. And the answer is A, gross motor skills. 12th question. Statement of the achievements to be realized and the specific meaning by which these are to be attained as a result of the activities engaged during the period. A, syllabus. B, curriculum. C, lesson plan. D, none of the above. Answer C, lesson plan. Coming to 13th question. The child is not a possessive learner but an active participant in the learning process. This sentence is focusing on A. Teacher centered environment, B. Activity centered environment, C. School centered environment, D. Parent centered environment. Answer B. Activity centered environment. Question number 14. Dash test measure the extent of students learning in a given content area. A. Achievement test, B. Aptitude test, C. Diagnostic test, D. Readiness test. And the answer is option A. Achievement test. Question number 15. Anything can be taught at any stage of development was said by Dash. A. Albert Bandura, B. David Asubel, C. Jean Piaget, D. Jerome Bruner. And the answer is option D. Jerome Bruner.